This video is how to install an i5 CPU into a i5 motherboard. First of all, you locate the CPU socket, which is this socket here. Then what you do is quite simply press down on the clip, pull it out to the side, move it back, and the whole thing just opens up like that. Take your CPU, which is, I've got one here, line it up with some little marks on the side, there and there, and if you look for those on the actual socket, which are here and here, you slot it in like that, make sure it rests nicely, pull down the flap, slot it under the screw there, close down the clip, press, move it out to the side and clip it back down. It really is that easy. And that completes a simple guide on how to add an i5 chip to an i5 motherboard. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below, and if you have been, thank you for watching.